Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding that the Rs 100 note in your wallet can only buy what Rs 80 bought yesterday. The note didn't change. The color didn't change. The number printed on it didn't change. Who decided it was worth less? Most people think money has value because the government prints it, but that's only part of the story. The real value of money comes from something much more powerful: trust. Millions of people accept the same currency because they believe other people will accept it tomorrow. That's what gives money its power. But trust alone isn't enough. Imagine a country where factories stop producing, businesses start shutting down, and unemployment keeps rising. Even if everyone still has money in their wallets, there's less real value being created. Over time, confidence begins to fall. People start spending money faster because they're afraid it will buy less tomorrow. Businesses respond by raising prices. Investors move their money elsewhere. The currency begins losing value. Now imagine the opposite. Businesses are growing. People have jobs. Factories are producing goods. Investors are building new companies. Exports are increasing. The economy is creating more real value every year. People trust that economy. As confidence grows, the currency often becomes stronger because more people want to hold it. Here, the foreign exchange market trades trillions of dollars every single day. Currencies constantly rise and fall because millions of buyers and sellers are deciding which economies they trust the most. No single person controls the value of money. Not the government, not the banks, not even the central bank alone. They all influence it. But in the end, the value of money is shaped by millions of decisions made every single day by consumers, businesses, investors, and global markets. That's why one country's currency can become stronger while another becomes weaker, even if both print money, because money isn't just paper. It's a reflection of confidence. So the next time you look at the cash in your wallet, don't just ask, how much money do I have? Ask, how much trust stands behind this money? Money is only as valuable as the confidence people have in the economy behind it. Imagine waking up tomorrow